To the woman who birthed me, to the woman who I'll give birth to one day, to generations of powerful Palestinian women yet to conquer the world, to the woman standing here with pride, your strength and courage you cannot hide, and to all the women who fought before them in the days of yore. Open doors for us to explore. For you and I to reach the skies. To work, to study, to have equal rights. For you and her, yes, you and her, to marry. Creating a life that's bright and merry. To the woman who birthed me, I see you clear. Your sacrifices and love forever near. Through pain and sorrow, joy and laughter, you shaped my world now and hereafter. The road you paved with hands so strong guides me right where I belong. I left home at 16, now I'm 23. I left home at 16, young and free. Now at 23, I finally see life's burdens and its endless strife. Yet I feel alive, more than just life. Does anyone else in this room feel the weight of time, the dreams that heal? To the woman who I will give birth to one day. To the woman who I'll bring into the light. Your journey will be a beacon burning bright. Fear not, my love, for you will find your own way in a transformed world where you will have your say. Fear not, my love, fear not. Your joy, your laughter, we will celebrate and cheer. And when pain arrives, we will hold it near. In your life's journey, we will discover our own, a legacy of strength and love, brightly shone. In a less poetic way, but no less impassioned, I stand tall before you, honoring the resilient woman who once lived in a world burdened by rules that confine them to society's margins. They yearned for the freedom to breathe as equals. Through countless demonstrations, protests, and unwavering courage, they forged a path that we now treat. Today, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to Horizon, who sponsored my journey here 5 years ago, who handed me the power to forge my own destiny through education. I'm reminded that the milestone, though monumental, is but one step in our journey. Even as I step closer to realizing my dream of becoming a criminal detective, I cannot forget that the battle for gender equality rages on. We find ourselves as torchbearers in a continuous journey towards a world where equal pay is not an inspiration but a reality. And so, with reverence for those who came before us, and with determination etched in our hearts, we march forward, carrying the torch of progress for all the women, past, present, and future. Thank you.